So this is the B122 area. Looks like a building structure at one time back in there. From here. The apple industry, Western Maryland Rail Trail. Harvest time at the Brook Farm on Round Top Road. There's that photo right there. Yep, sure enough. All this time, the answer was right here. For well over 100 years, the Hancock area has been at the heart of Maryland apple industry. At the first part of the 20th century, the gently rolling hills and vast open territories hosted over 12 major orchards. Some of more noteworthy companies included the J.A. Cohill, R.M. Daniels, John T. Mason, Glen Allen, the Marvania orchards, and the Ridgefield fruit farms. One of the largest producers, the American Fruit Growers, once claimed to have harvested 75,000 barrels of apples annually. At this site, we can see the remains of a foundation that once was a packing shed. So that packing shed right there. Okay. This packing shed was located next to a siding track here, where the apples could be sorted, packed, and loaded onto waiting freight cars. Today, the apple industry in the Hancock area, as well as the Western Maryland Railway, is a memory of times past, but not forgotten. You see, the answer's been here the whole time. I didn't even know it. So it's been right here. And I bet you a lot of more people don't know this either. And it says, harvest time at Cohill Orchard near Hancock. Well, that's awesome. Okay, let's get rolling. Well, that is awesome. Bit of history I didn't know about. I kept passing this all these years. Didn't read this. That's awesome. So there's the answer. This is the Cohill Station siding, where they loaded apples. Okay. And that was the foundation we were looking at back there. Okay. But if you're riding west into the sunset, and when you see this water cooler up here, it's another quarter mile beyond your right. Look for the yellow gate and the placard sign. Be sure to stop. Alright, so let's record the rest of the way here, at least down to the crossing. So down here is Seavolt Road. I rode over and then across up to the crossing the other day. We'll see it here in a minute. So if you were to ride up from the towpath, just take a look at my video if you want. Stop here. Looking west again, behind me. I'm heading east. You can tell in the background, you can see the Round Top Hill, how it curves down.